What is algorithm? Algorithm is a set of step-by-step instructions to solve a problem or perform a task. Let's take a simple example to understand it. Suppose we have a list of some numbers 4, 9, 5, 11, and 2, and we want to find the maximum value in this list. So for that we are writing an algorithm. The first step of the algorithm is that we assume that this number 4 is the maximum value. So we declare a variable and assign the first value to this that we assume is the greatest number. In the second step of the algorithm, all the remaining values will be compared with the value of the maximum. So all compare values with maximum. And if any number is greater than the maximum value, so the value will be exchanged. Suppose 9 is greater than 4, so 9 will be assigned to the maximum, and in this way all the remaining numbers will be compared with the value of maximum. In the third step, the value of maximum will be update maximum. In the fourth step, we need the result, so print the value of maximum, and the algorithm will give us a result 11. So this is a very simple example through which we can understand the working of an algorithm. Algorithms are working everywhere. They are working in our phones, in apps, in online searches, which are running behind the scenes to solve the problem fast and efficiently.